Hello, for this video I'll be showcasing the Airburst Tremor, the assault rifle. Now I personally love the concept of assault rifles or AR in this game, but I'm sure most players with AR builds can attest to how expensive it is to feed this weapon. That said, the confidence you get from fighting bosses with this accurate bad boy is super nice with its damage versus mutated and weapon headshot damage. Um, its magazine size though, it's probably wouldn't be the most ideal for shooting zombies unless you have bullets to waste. But it does take down the infected pretty quickly. So to showcase this weapon, I will also be using some boost for damage versus mutated. I'll be also using the red band. Now sometimes I use the Crusader helmet to offer more defensive skills, as well as more damage towards the infected. But for the most part, if you want to just go straight for only the bosses and rarely the infected, then I think red band could be pretty nice because it offers maximum accuracy as well as reloading speed and a good amount of headshot and damage versus mutated. And here are my stats. So 8 shots per second, not too bad. Of course, bad body damage, but massive headshot damage. I have 112% headshot damage, which is pretty nice, but minus 1% attack speed, so that hurts. I know some people prefer attack speed, but for me, I prefer being more consistent with landing my shots rather than melting bosses. Then 206% damage versus mutated, so really good amount, but of course pretty low incoming damage reduction, so it's gonna be like a glass cannon build. But with that said, let's fight some bosses. First boss, I won't be testing this weapon without supporting gear. Oh, it's a tendril. Just because I don't want to use an unnecessary amount of ammo. But this is a level 40 tendril, so even though it looks normal, it does massive amount of damage, and it's gonna be pretty tanky. Alright, let's get to it. Wait, what? Oh, okay. No, I'm pretty sure it's a level 40 tendril. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was insane. I'm actually dumbfounded right now. What the heck? Okay, let's just kill this zombie right here. See, one tap. For the most part, it's like 1 or 2 taps. Okay, so I just shot her arm, so that was bad. You can just treat this as just like a pistol or rifle where, you know, you don't need to like go full automatic to take it down zombies. I thought I was just going to go into single room bosses, but I saw this purple zone, which is... Okay, that's 2. You know what, I'm not going to wait for all 4 to spawn, but I'm going to get murked if I do. Let's just get this fight started. So bad. Why did I choose to do this? And the reloading speed is also pretty nice with the red band, so... Oh, there's 3. Okay. Gotta be careful my dodging, just because if I use one dodge and the other one is also really close by, I can say goodbye to my life. So I really gotta keep a distance if I really want to survive. So as you can see, when it goes to maximum accuracy, it... Oh no 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 no! Bad dodge timing. Bad dodge timing. Holy crap! Almost shot myself. Yeah. Key to fighting Reapers in purple zones, especially when you have 4, is just to keep a distance. You don't want to dodge, honestly. dodging actually can kill you. Just keep a good distance. Oh, good. These guys are so tanky. I mean, if you're left to one, then it's fine, but yeah, don't get too greedy. Keep a distance. There goes all my ammo. Is this worth it? Not really. Wait, I just killed 2 at once. Nice, nice. Or did I? I have no idea anymore. Okay, that's 3. Watch, I just die from the 4th one. Don't jinx myself. Do not jinx myself. Please do not jinx myself. I really do not want to disable the zombies, so I'm contemplating whether or not I should loot them. Maybe I should. Get some money back at least. Reloading speed is just amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, done. Yeah, that was not worth it. That was not worth the amount of ammo I used. Alright, so let's see. Oh look, if purple zone wasn't enough. Haha. Okay, is there runners here? I don't think I see any runners. Okay, I am stuck. Holy. Okay. I mean, we all know that Reapers are super tanky, but that was just a huge, huge waste of ammo, honestly. But let's see what garbage loot I'm getting. Okay, check out the next boss. This account is officially dirt poor, but you know what? Whatever. Okay. Yes. The fast reloading speed is also really nice. Yep. Done. Let's see. Oh, it's a choir. Take that kid as always. Last boss. Let's check it out. Oh, it's a scythe spitter. Okay. Can't even pretend to be sneaky. Alright, the animation for assault rifles don't apply to spitters. Yeah, I mean, can't complain. The reward. Alright. To wrap things up, overall, this gun is really, really awesome to use. It takes down bosses incredibly quickly. and the damage output is just absolutely insane. Uh, if it wasn't for the ammo prices being just insanely high, this weapon would really be considered insanely overpowered, honestly, in terms of like overall statistics. But I probably won't use this weapon much unless I'm making a video or ammo prices are more than half of what they are now because the Airburst Tremor and honestly all the other assault rifles are really cost inefficient. But with that said, though, if time is money for you rather than money in game face value is money to you, then perhaps you know assault rifles or the Airburst Tremor would be something to highly consider to take down bosses super quickly. Um, but to each their own. Some people are incredibly rich, and some people are just dirt poor like me. But with that said, that's pretty much the end of this video, and I hope you take care.